Konnichiwa. Now we are going to see the lesson 16 from Genki 2 textbook. Vasure Mono. So Vasure Mono means lost things. So here we have a conversation, which is the Kaiwa part. So the conversation is between Professor Yamashita and John. John is the student of Professor Yamashita. John has lost something and he found it. So the entire conversation is about how he lost and found the things. So that is the soul of the topic. So let's see the Kaiwa, the dialogue part. At Professor Yamashita's office, John, Shitsure shimasu. Shitsure shimasu is a type of excuse me or I am sorry, which is a very formal way. When you are talking to your professor or to your teacher, you can use this. Shitsure shimasu, which means excuse me or I am sorry for disturbing you. Sensei, sensei is professor. Kyo means today. Jugyo, jugyo means class. So kyo jugyo ni korare nakute. Korare nakute means I couldn't attend the class today. Sumimasen deshita. Could you please excuse me? Sumimasen is also excuse me, but when you are entering into the room and you are about to disturb, then you have to use shitsure shimasu, which is a very formal way. Sumimasen can be used in normal way also. In a casual way also, you can tell it as sumimasen. For example, if you want to ask an address to some stranger, then you can tell it as sumimasen. Or if you are asking something to the store attender or to any others, then you can use sumimasen. So, John, shitsure shimasu, sensei. Kyo jugyo ni korare nakute sumimasen deshita. Could you please excuse me that I couldn't attend the class today? Shitsure shimasu means excuse me or I am sorry. Sensei, which means professor. Kyo, today. Jugyo, jugyo means classroom. Jugyo ni korare nakute. So I couldn't attend the class. Sumimasen deshita. Could you please excuse me? So that is the entire meaning of the sentence. Yamashita sensei. Doshitan desu ka? Why? Doshitan desu ka means why. John. Jitsu wa. It's about asa neboshite. I couldn't wake up in the morning. Asa neboshite. Densha ni nori okure tan desu. Asa neboshite. Densha ni nori okure tan desu. So I couldn't wake up early in the morning, so I couldn't catch the train. Sumimasen. So excuse me. So once again, John. Jitsu wa asa neboshite densha ni nori okure tan desu. So I couldn't wake up early in the morning, so I couldn't catch the train. Sumimasen. So I'm sorry. So please excuse me. Yamashita sensei. Mo sankai me desu yo. It is all 3 times as if now. So it is 3 times you are doing this. Mesamashi tokei wo kattara do desu ka? How about you can buy a alarm clock? Mo sankai me desu yo. It's 3 times you are doing this. Mesamashi tokei wo kattara do desu ka? How about if you buy an alarm clock? John. Hai. Sensei. Shukudai o. Shukudai means homework. Shukudai o. Ashita made matte itadake masen ka? So I will present you the homework tomorrow. Shukudai o ireta furai ka 9 days. So I couldn't find my homework file. Yamashita sensei. Komari mashita ne. Aru to ii desu ne. Okay, you get it tomorrow. At the station. Sumimasen, excuse me. Fuairu wo nakushitan desu ka? I lost my file. Eki-in, the station master. Donna furairu desu ka? What is the file about? John. Kono gurai no aoi furai desu. So it is the blue color file. Kono gurai no, it is about aoi, means blue color. Aoi fuairu desu. Densha wo oriru toki, when I am getting from the train, wasureta to omoun desu ka? I remind that I forgot the file when I am getting from the train. Ekin, the station master. Chotto mate kudasai. Could you please wait? Denwa shite kiite mimasu. I will call and let you know. Next, at school the next day. Yamashita sensei. John-san, fuairu wa arimashita ka? Did you find the file? John, hi. Eki-in-san ga sagashi shite kuretan desu. So with the help of the station master, I found it. Yamashita sensei. Yokatta desu ne. Good luck. Or all the best. John. Kore. Shukudai desu. So this is the homework. Asoku natte. Sumimasen deshita. Sorry for the delay. Yamashita sensei. Iie. Yoku deki teimasu ne. Yoku deki teimasu ne. So okay, it's okay. John. Eki-in-san ni tetsudatte moraimashita kara. So Yamashita sensei is asking, how you find it? And John, Eki-in-san ni tetsudaitemo raimashita kara. So I found it with the help of the station master. So let's see the English conversation once. John, excuse me, Professor Yamashita. I'm sorry that I couldn't come to the class today. Professor Yamashita, what happened? John, well, I got up late and I missed the train. I'm sorry. Professor Yamashita, this is the third time. Why don't you buy an alarm clock? John, Professor Yamashita, as for the homework, could you please wait till tomorrow? I couldn't find the file. I put my homework in. Professor Yamashita, that's a problem. I hope you will find it. John, excuse me. I have lost my file. Station attendant. What is the file like? John, it's a blue file about this size. I think I left it when I got off the train. Station attendant. Please wait for a minute. I'll call and ask. Professor Yamashita. John, did you find the file? John, yes, a station attendant find it for me. Professor Yamashita. Good. John, this is the homework. I'm sorry it is late. Professor Yamashita. That's okay. It's well done. John, yes, because the station attendant helped me. Let's see once again the entire thing in a fast forward way. Okay. So Vasure Mono, the lost things. So let's see the Kaiwa part once again. At Professor Yamashita's office. John. Chitsure shimasu sensei. Kyo Jugyo ni korare nakute sumimasen deshita. Yamashita sensei. Do shitan desu ka? John. Jitsu wa asa neboshite densha ni nori okuretan desu. Sumimasen. Yamashita sensei. Mo sankai me desu yo. Mesamashi tokei wo katara do desu ka? John. Hai. Sensei. Shukudai wo ashita made matte itadakemasen ka? Shukudai wo ireta fairu ga 9 desu. Yamashita sensei. Komarimashita ne? Aru to ii desu ne. At the station. John. Sumimasen. Fuairu wo nakushitan desu ka? Ekiin. Donna furairu desu ka? John. Kono gurai no aoi fuairu desu. Densha wo oriru toki wasureta to omoun desu ka? Ekiin. Chotto matte kudasai. Denwa shite kiite mimasu. At school the next day. Yamashita sensei. John-san, fuairu wa arimashita ka? John. Hai. Ekiin-san ga sagashi shite kuretan desu. Yamashita sensei. Yokatta desu ne. John. Kore shukudai desu. Osoku natte sumimasen deshita. Yamashita sensei. Iie. Yoku dekite imasu ne. John. Ekiin-san ni tetsudai te moraimashita kara. So that's all about the dialogue conversation. So we'll see about this vocabulary in the next part. So tango. Vocabulary. Ekiin-san. Station attendant. Oya. Parent. Gomi. Garbage. Sato. Sugar. Shogakukin. Scholarship. Shinseki. Relatives. Suisenjo. It is Suisenjo. Letter of recommendation. Daigakuin. Graduate student. Typhoon. Day. Fuairu. File or portfolio. Michi. Way, road or directions. Megimashi tokei. Alarm clock. Kitanai. Dirty. So these are the E adjectives. Let's see the U verbs. Okosu. To wake up. Ogoru. To treat to a meal. So for this we have to use the particle ni for a person, o for a meal. Ochikomo. Ochikomo means to get depressed. Komaru. To have difficulty. Dasu. To take something out, to hand in something. Koreteiku. To take someone or to a place. If it is a person, you have to use o, or if it is a place, you have to use ni particle. Now osu. To correct or to fix. Michini mayo. To become lost, to lose one's way. Yakusu. To translate. If it is a source, you have to use o. if it is a target, you have to use ni particles. Varau, to laugh. Let's see the roo verbs. Iron wo kakeru. Iron wo kakeru. To iron the clothes. Atsumeru. To collect. Ireru. To put something in. If it is a things, we have to use o particle. If it is a place, we have to use ni particle. Nori okureru. Nori okureru means to miss a train, bus, etc. We have to use the particle ni. Miseru, to show. Let's see the irregular verbs. Asanebo suru, to oversleep. Asanebo suru. Annai suru, to show around. Setsume shuru, to explain. Mukae ni kuru. Mukae ni kuru, to come to pick up someone. So adverbs and other expressions. To, well, let me see. Kyojuni. Kyojuni. By the end of today. Kono aida, the other day. Kono gurai, about this much. Kore gurai, kono gurai, kore gurai, all are same. Gomen, I'm sorry, which is a casual thing. Sitsure shimasu, excuse me, sorry to interrupt you. Jibunde, oneself, to do something. Jugyo chuni, during the class. Jugyo chuni, during the class or in the class. Hokano, hokano, which means the other thing. So these are all about the dialogue as well as the vocabulary part. So the kaiwa and the tango part of the 16th lesson from Genki 2 textbook. So which is Vasure Mono. So let's see the grammar part in the next topic. Thank you very much.